Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much for coming today. Terima kasih ya sudah datang hari ini in our third day, hari ketiga kita for English Bootcamp yang diselenggarakan oleh Yayasan Pelita Jaya Nusantara secara gratis kepada teman-teman semua yang ingin belajar bahasa Inggris, terutama tentang speaking ya teman-teman. Terima kasih sebelumnya. Oke, jadi untuk hari ini kan kita kemarin sudah belajar tentang yang namanya daily routine ya. Yang contohnya kayak I wake up, I sleep, atau I eat ya. Nah, for today, untuk hari ini kita akan belajar tentang yang namanya express your feelings. Atau bisa dibilang memberi atau mengekspresikan emotion atau sikap atau emosi ya. Misalnya contoh kayak happy, sad, atau sedih ya, sad, atau misalnya bahagia, atau misalnya nervous, atau scared maybe, gitu ya. Oke, langsung saja let me share my screen. Oke, oke, yes, for this material, untuk today material, we're gonna talk about express feeling and experience. Jadi, Miss bilang tadi express feeling atau mengekspresikan sebuah perasaan dan experience atau pengalaman. Misalnya contoh tadi apa? Kayak misalnya I'm sad, I'm happy, or I'm nervous, atau misalnya I proud maybe, bangga dan lain-lainnya. Dan juga experience. Jadi di sini experience nanti Miss akan tanya misalnya, yesterday, how do you feel yesterday? Gimana perasaanmu kemarin? And you said, oh yesterday I was happy. Kemarin saya senang, atau misalnya hari ini saya senang, atau 2 minggu yang lalu saya senang. Oke, kita akan belajar untuk itu ya pada hari ini. Oke, so please reminder as usual ya, please turn on your camera guys. Kalau misalnya if you want to open your camera, if you willing to do that, please open your camera so I can see your face ya. Number two, use raise hand to speak. Jadi teman-teman nanti di sini karena kita more focusing on speaking, jadi saya harap teman-teman di sini bisa raise hand ya, dimana nanti kalau misalnya Miss bertanya, coba deh menggunakan raise hand supaya Miss bisa lihat who wants to talk, siapa yang mau ngomong, atau who wants to volunteer. Itu. Number three, let's be active and confident. Karena kita balik lagi, because we want to more focus on speaking, I hope you guys can be active and confident ya. So don't worry to make a mistake. Jangan takut atau gugup. It's okay, that's fine. No one will judge you here. Tidak akan ada yang menghukumi. Yang penting kita berani dulu ya. Seperti itu. Okay, let's just go to our first material today, which is about uh, expressing feelings ya. Okay, but before we go to our main material, kita akan warm up dulu atau pemanasan dulu nih sebelum kita masuk ke our main material. The first one is how is your feeling today? And what happened? Misalnya, today I feel happy. Hari ini saya happy. Kenapa? Because someone give me present. Karena seseorang memberikan saya hadiah misalnya. Atau maybe today I'm sad. Why you sad? Kenapa sad? Because I'm hungry. Jadi saya sedih karena saya lapar ya. Atau misalnya I'm nervous. Saya gugup. Kenapa nervous? Maybe because tonight I will present. Nanti malam saya akan mempresentasi, misalnya contoh. Atau misalnya lagi, I'm angry today. Kenapa angry? Maybe because I hate my friends. Saya benci sama temanku. That's why I hate. Itu. Lalu number two ada how many emotion do you human has? Jadi ada berapa emosi yang manusia itu punya? Apakah only one maybe? Cuma happy, only happy, atau misalnya ada angry, ada misalnya nervous. Nah, kira-kira ada berapa? Oke, kira-kira anyone wants to try? Ada yang mau coba baca, sorry, ada yang mau coba jawab maybe for the first question atau maybe the second question?
Mimis.
Oke, Indah. Which one, Indah? You want to choose? You want to answer?
Can I choose number one?
Number one, okay. Go ahead.
So, how is your feeling today? What happened? My feelings today is like I'm a bit sleepy. And then I think today I feel quite happy, but a little bit sleepy, and also I think I feel happy because the weather is good,
Okay.
and then I feel sleepy because I need to wake up for sahur, and then I need to also pray subuh before that, and then I need to go to school after that. So yeah, that's my feelings for today, Miss.
Okay. Okay. You feel happy, a little bit happy, but also a little bit sleepy. Is that right?
Yes, Miss.
Why you a little bit happy? What's happened? Why you not happy? Very happy.
I feel a little bit happy because the weather is good. It's not
Okay.
rainy. Why a little bit? Because I need to go to school.
Okay.
Yes,
Weather is
Miss.
good. Okay. So you don't like go to school?
Not really. Kalau puasa, if like Ramadan, I don't really like to go to school.
Okay. Very good. Thank you, Indah. Very well ya.
Welcome me.
Oke. Ada lagi nggak yang mau coba? Maybe today I feel angry. Why? Karena I'm hungry. Misalnya saya marah karena saya lapar gitu. Ada mau coba nggak? Raise your hand guys, please. Coba. Anyone? Maybe I will choose Anggita. Anggita, are you there Anggita? Ada Anggita nggak? No? How about Eva? Are you there Eva?
I'm here, Miss.
Okay, can you try to answer number 2? Coba dijawab number 2.
Oh, number two. I think we have a lot of emotions. You know the Disney movies from Inside Out?
Okay, Inside Out. Okay, jadi
I
how
just,
many? How many?
I just want to say there's a lot of emotion in that movies. One of it is sadness, so it could be sad, and also anger
Okay,
or angry. Mm-hmm. And then there's envy and also joy. And also the new character is anxiety. I love
okay,
that.
okay, an anxiety. What is an anxiety means, Eva?
It's kind of emotion like you don't know how to control your emotion, like you're afraid of something.
Okay, like ketakutan ya, maybe ya.
Yes. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, okay, thank you, Eva. Very well, ya.
My pleasure, Miss.
Okay, I want to ask Fajrina. Fajrina, are you there, Fajrina?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Fajrina, how is your feeling today, Fajrina?
Today I feel happy because I just finished my drawing.
You just finished what?
My draw.
Oh, what did you draw?
I draw my OC.
Oh, wow. Very good, ya. Thank you, Fajrina. Well done. How about Putri Balkis? Are you there, Putri Balkis?
Yes, Miss.
Putri Balkis, how many emotion do the human has?
I think 8.
Okay. What else? What is that? 8.
Anger, embarrassment, joy, sad, anxiety, envy, nervous, and disgust.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Nervous, what is nervous means? Apa artinya nervous?
Nervous, I think. Wait.
What is-
Okay, I forgot.
Okay. Nervous itu artinya gugup ya.
Okay, yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Balkis.
Yeah, thank you, Miss.
Okay, let's go to Lonteng Elhart. Elhart, are you there, Elhart? Hello, Elhart? No ya? Maybe Bibit, are you there, Bibit? Ada Bibit nggak? Hello? Okay, no ya. Okay, so I think that's enough ya. Oh, ada. Bibit, Bibit, can you try to answer number 1? How is your feeling today? What happened?
Today, my feeling is really happy
Oh,
because
why you're happy?
uh,
Why happy, Bibit?
because I finish language Japan
Because you learn language?
language Japan maybe.
Japanese?
Yes, Japanese.
Oh, so you learn Japanese language?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Bibit. Well done ya. Oke, thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much ya. Very good. Jadi dari beberapa teman bilang emotion itu ada banyak, ada yang bilang 8 juga. Ya, jadi very good ya. Jadi emotion itu ada banyak, ada envy, iri, ada jealous, cemburu, ada takut, scared, ada anxiety, ketakutan, or maybe happy, ada joy, ada sad. Pokoknya banyak sekali ya emotion ya. Very good. Okay, let's go to our main material today, which is about expressing feelings atau eh mengekspresikan perasaan ya. Mengekspresikan perasaan. Kayak tadi yang sudah teman-teman jawab. Today I feel happy, today I feel sad. Gitu. Today I feel tired maybe. Saya capek gitu ya. Itu namanya expressing feelings. Jadi expressing feelings itu dalam bahasa Inggris yaitu showing emotion like happiness, sadness, anger through words or action. Jadi menunjukkan emosi seperti kebahagiaan atau kesedihan atau kemarahan melalui words atau action. Jadi kan kadang-kadang kita juga bisa melihat orang itu meskipun dia tidak bilang dia marah tapi kelihatannya dia marah ya. Jadi through action. Jadi dia bisa mengekspresikan feelingsnya lewat action. Seperti itu. Nah, for today, untuk hari ini kita akan fokus ke arah how to express feeling through words. Jadi, bagaimana mengekspresikan perasaan lewat kata-kata. Itu. Oke, kita next ya. Nah, di sini ada conversation between Rina and Andi. Ada Rina sama Andi. Oke, as usual, maybe ada yang mau volunteer? Try to be Rina and try to be Andi. Oke, Elhart and Fajrina. Kita ke Elhart and Fajrina dulu ya. Maybe Elhart you can be Andi and Fajrina you can be Rina. Okay? Time is yours, guys.
Hi Andy, how do you feel today?
Hi Rina, I feel happy today. What about you?
I feel a little tired
Why are you tired?
because I did my homework last night.
Oh, I see.
Okay, very good ya. Good job Fajrina and Elhart. Nice. Oke, ada yang mau coba lagi? Jadi Rina and Andi? Oke, Putri Balkis. Balkis, you can be Rina. Ada yang mau coba jadi Andi nggak, everyone? Anyone maybe? Maybe Bibit? Bibit ada nggak Bibit? Halo Bibit?
Terus
Yes, Bibit, can you be Andi? Okay. Okay, go ahead. Balkis?
Hi Andy, how do you feel today?
hi Rina, I feel happy today. What about you?
I feel a little tired
Why are you tired?
because I did my homework last night.
I see.
Oh, I see. Okay, very good. Thank you, Bibit and Balkis ya. Very good.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, yes, you're welcome. Kita lanjut lagi. Di sini Anggita udah ada belum Anggita? Halo Anggita. No ya? Okay, what is it? Okay, maybe Eva. Eva, are you there, Eva?
Miss, aku mau coba Miss.
Okay, Indah sama Eva, boleh nggak? Eva, are you there?
Ada Miss.
Boleh Miss.
Okay,
Boleh Miss.
yes, Eva, you can be Rina, and Indah, you can be Andi.
Okay. Hi Andy, how do you feel today?
Hi Rina, I feel happy. What about you?
I feel a little tired
Why are you tired?
Because I did my homework last night.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jadi,
Thank you so much Indah and Eva ya. Very good ya.
welcome.
Oke, you're welcome. Jadi ini one of the example ya of conversation atau dalam percakapan. Di sini kan Rina nanya, Andi, kamu gimana perasaannya today? How do you feel today? Terus Andi jawab, oh I feel happy today. Terus Rina bilang, no, I'm feel tired. Jadi aku capek. Why are you tired? Kenapa kamu capek? Karena aku ngerjain PR tadi malam. Jadi emosinya Arina di sini capek ya. Kenapa? Karena dia mungkin semalaman tuh ngerjain homework, ngerjain PR, makanya dia capek. Seperti itu. Itu ya contohnya ya. Lalu di sini juga ada Andi bilang, I feel happy today. Di sini kan maybe Andi tidak kasih tahu ya why he feels happy. But yeah, maybe he feel happy because of something. Oke, jadi ini ya contohnya ya. Tadi misalnya I feel happy today atau I feel tired today. Terus kalau misalnya ada yang mau bertanya, how do you feel today? Gimana perasaanmu sekarang? Itu bisa dicoba ya, teman-teman. Oke, kita lanjut ke vocabulary bank. Oke. Jadi di sini ada beberapa vocabulary atau kosakata yang bisa kita gunakan when we are talking about emotion. Ketika kita berbicara tentang emosi atau feelings ya. The first one is happy. I am happy, for example. Atau yes, you are happy. Kamu senang. Yang kedua is sad. 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 Di sini bukan sad ya, tapi sad. Artinya sedih. Lalu ada kata angry. Angry. Oke, teman-teman, di sini meskipun tulisannya itu tapi G-nya juga dibaca ya. Jadi angry. Angry, bukan angry, no, tapi angry. Jadi G-nya masih dibaca ya. Lalu ada scared. Scared, bukan scared, tapi scared, yang artinya takut. Lalu ada kata proud. Proud, ya bukan proud, tapi proud, yang artinya bangga. Lalu ada kata excited. Oke, kalau misalnya ada E di awal, bacanya bukan excited, tapi ya excited. Dari bacanya itu I. Excited. Ya. Lalu ada kata nervous. Kalau misalnya V itu, kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kan bacanya V ya. Tapi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, V itu dia harus berat, jadi V. Nervous, bukan nervous, tapi nervous. Artinya gugup. Lalu the last one is tired. Tired, sorry. Tired artinya capek. Oke, jadi Miss will repeat for one time. Jadi Miss bakal coba ulangi lagi sekali lagi. You guys can try to imitate ya. Jadi coba mengikuti how do I pronounce it. Tapi tidak perlu open kamera. Tidak perlu open microphone as well ya. The first one is happy. Happy. Sad. Sad. Lalu angry. Angry. Scared. Scared. Proud. Proud. Excited. 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 Nervous. Nervous. And the last one is tired. Tired. Itu. Jadi ada senang, sedih, marah, takut, bangga, bersemangat, gugup, sama capek. Contohnya gimana? Very easy. I am happy. I am sad. I am angry. I am scared. I am proud. I am excited. I am nervous. And I am tired. Itu. Jadi itu contohnya ya teman-teman ya. Yang sering kita gunakan in daily life. Di kebiasaan setiap hari. Oke, kita lanjut ke next slide. Jadi di sini teman-teman bisa mungkin mau ditulis kah atau mungkin dihafal juga boleh ya teman-teman. Karena nanti habis ini in our last slide nanti seperti biasa akan ada speaking challenge ya. Oke, kita lanjut ke common expression. Jadi di sini beberapa ekspresi atau cara yang umum ketika kita berbicara tentang yang namanya feelings atau emotion. Yang pertama, asking about feelings. Jadi bertanya tentang perasaan. Misalnya kalau misalnya ada temannya sakit atau temannya sedih, kita tanya, how do you feel? Kamu kenapa? Perasaanmu gimana? Atau how do you feel today? Artinya, bagaimana perasaanmu hari ini? Oke, lalu ada kata are you okay? Ini biasanya mungkin kalau temannya jatuh atau misalnya lagi sedih, ditanya are you okay? Kamu baik-baik aja? Atau how do you feel? Why do you feel? Oke, why do you feel sad ya teman-teman? Di sini lupa. Why do you feel sad? Kenapa kamu merasa sedih? Atau why do you feel happy? Kamu kenapa merasa senang? Nah, ini common expression ya, ketika kita bertanya tentang feeling someone. Lalu number two ada expressing feelings atau mengekspresikan perasaan ya. Kalau misalnya tadi di pertama itu kita bertanya, yang kedua kita memberitahu. Misalnya, how do you feel? I feel happy. Atau how do you feel today? I feel sad. Atau misalnya ditanya, are you okay? No, I feel tired. Tuh. Atau misalnya I feel excited. Tadi excited kan artinya bersemangat ya. Lalu ada kata nervous yang artinya saya gugup. Jadi ini common expression yang biasa sering kita gunakan ya. Seperti itu. Lalu number two ada yang namanya past experience atau kejadian di masa lampau. Misalnya ada yang tanya, how do you feel yesterday? Yesterday kan artinya kemarin ya. Kalau misalnya ada tanya, how do you feel yesterday? Berarti kemarin gimana perasaanmu? Jawab, oh, yesterday I feel sad. Atau yesterday I feel happy. Gitu. Oke, lalu ada last night. Last night artinya tuh kemarin malam ya. Kemarin malam. Lalu ada last week. Last week itu minggu lalu. Lalu ada kata I went to. I went to saya pergi. Atau misalnya I saw. I saw, saya melihat ya. Lalu terakhir ada it was fun. Misalnya ada yang tanya, kemarin gimana rasanya jalan-jalan di sini? Jalan-jalan ke Bali misalnya. Dijawab, oh it was fun. Itu seru banget sih. Itu sangat seru. Itu ya. Jadi ini past experience. Ketika kita menggunakan atau berbicara tentang masa lampau, kita bisa mencoba ini. Yesterday, last night, last week, itu dan lain sebagainya. Lalu ada simple reaction. Nah, kalau misalnya ada seseorang yang memberitahu, saya hari ini senang nih, atau I have feel happy today. Nah, kira-kira reaksinya apa ya? Bisa jadi kita that's great. That's great itu artinya itu bagus. Misalnya kan ada yang bilang I feel happy today, saya senang hari ini. Nah, dijawab, oh bagus tuh, that's great ya. Lalu number two ada that sounds fun. Itu terdengarnya sangat asik ya. Itu terdengar asik. Misalnya ada yang bilang, yesterday I went to Bali. Dijawab, oh that sounds fun. Itu kedengarannya sangat seru. Lalu I'm sorry to hear that. Jadi aku minta maaf telah mendengar itu. Maksudnya apa ini? Misalnya kalau misalnya ada teman yang bilang, so today I feel sad. Hari ini saya sedih banget nih. Nah, kira-kira gimana cara jawabnya bisa bilang ini? I'm sorry to hear that. Maaf ya. Tuh. Lalu kata really. Really itu kayak, beneran gitu. Beneran. Misalnya contoh ada teman yang bilang, today I feel excited because I got new phone. Hari ini saya sangat senang karena saya dapatkan HP baru. Terus temannya jawab, really? Beneran dapat HP baru? Nah, you can say use really. The last one is wow, nice. Wow, bagus gitu. Misalnya kayak tadi sama tadi temannya bilang, today I got new phone. Hari ini saya dapat HP baru. Nah, dijawab, wow, nice. Wow, bagus ya. Seperti itu. Jadi kita mengekspresikan ekspresi yang sama. Kalau misalnya temannya happy, ya kita juga happy. Kalau temannya excited, we also excited. And if our friends or maybe someone is sad, of course we have to be sad as well. Kita juga harus tetap sedih ya. Oke. Jadi ini ya beberapa common expression yang you guys can try to use nanti di our speaking challenge. Oke, kita lanjut ke let's read. Jadi di sini ada salah satu text atau passage that you guys can try to read. Maybe as usual ya, volunteer. Ada yang mau coba? Di sini ada ini ada satu teks. Ini sebenarnya satu cerita, but I made it become two version ya. I mean, I made it to become two part. The first part and the second part. So, anyone want to try maybe for the first part? Mau baca yang pertama? Anyone? You guys can try to raise your hand ya. Okay, Fajrina.
Hello, my name is Dita. Yesterday, I went to school early because we had a test. Before the test, I felt nervous and a little scared. I studied hard the night before. After I finished the test, I feel relieved and happy.
Oke, Fajrina, I want to ask you, Fajrina, kira-kira dalam satu teks ini apa aja emosi yang terjadi? What kind of emotion yang termention di sini? Apa aja?
Gugup, takut, relate, dan bahagia.
Oke, gugup itu yang mana? Which one is gugup?
Nervous,
Nervous. Terus apa lagi?
scared.
Scared. Oke. Dua aja dulu ya. Thank you so much, Fajrina. Well done.
Ya.
Oke, kita lanjut the next person. Anyone yang mau coba yang the second text ya, teks kedua? Oke, Balkis. Number 2, Balkis.
Okay, Miss. In the afternoon, I went home and told my mother about the test. She said I did my best, and I felt proud. In the evening, I watched a movie with my family. It was fun, and I felt excited today. I felt calm and ready for a new day.
Okay, thank you, Balkis. Very good. Okay, Balkis, how about you, Balkis? Maybe you can mention two expression or two emotion that happen in here yang terjadi di sini.
Excited and proud.
Excited sama
Proud.
proud. Okay. What is excited means? Apa artinya excited?
Bersemangat.
Semangat. How about proud? Apa itu proud?
Bangga.
Oke, bangga. Thank you, Balkis. Good job ya. Oke, ada yang mau coba lagi for the first part? Yang di part pertama? You can try to raise hand ya. Maybe Elhard. Are you there, Elhard?
Yeah.
Okay, Elhard. Please.
Yes.
Right.
Hello, my name is Dita. Yesterday, I went to school early because we had a test. Before the test, I felt nervous and a little scared. I studied hard the night before. After I finished the test, I felt relieved and happy.
Oke, bacanya relieved ya, Elhard.
Ya, Miss, siap.
Yes, it's okay. Okay, Elhard, can you try to mention maybe satu aja deh, one emotion that's happening in here.
Nervous. Yes.
Nervous udah ini, udah nervous sama scared udah tadi dari Fajrina. How about you?
Happy.
Happy. Apa artinya happy? What does it mean?
Senang.
Senang. Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Elhard. Very good ya.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, next one. Ayo, yang number 2. The text number 2. Anyone want to try maybe? Maybe Bibit. Are you there, Bibit?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, can you try second part?
In the afternoon, I went home and told my mother about the lesson. She said I did my best and I feel good. In the evening, I watched a movie with my family. It's fun, and I feel excited today. I will calm and ready for a new day.
Okay, thank you. Bibit, can you try to mention one emotion atau one feelings? Coba sebutkan one only ya, selain yang udah dicoret-coret ini ya.
Calm.
Which one?
Calm.
Calm. What does it mean? Apa artinya calm? Tahu nggak?
Tenang mungkin.
Tenang. Yes, very good. Tenang. Okay, thank you so much, Bibit. Well done ya. Okay. I think everyone already have a good pronunciation ya. Kecuali ini tadi teman-teman bacanya itu relieved. Jadi id-nya nggak usah dibaca ya. Jadi relieved gitu aja. Artinya lega ya. Jadi saya merasa lega dan juga happy. Itu relieved. Oke, kita lanjut ke next slide yaitu soal ini, contoh soal. Jadi di sini ada multiple choices ya. Di sini ada satu contoh question, misalnya your friends look sad and quiet today. Jadi temanmu terlihat sedih dan diam hari ini. Kira-kira expression apa yang cocok dibilang? Apakah what's wrong? Are you okay? Kamu nggak apa-apa? Ada apa? Atau that's funny. Nah, kira-kira yang betul yang mana teman-teman? For the first question, jawabannya. Anyone knows maybe? Okay, Fajrina. Which one, Fajrina?
Number 1, Miss. What's wrong? Are you okay?
Okay, apa tadi artinya what's wrong?
Ada apa? Kok nggak apa-apa?
Okay, very good. Yes, yes. Thank you, Fajrina. Well done. Jadi number one jawabannya A ya. What's wrong? Are you okay? Kalau misalnya temannya sedih kan kita juga bertanya ya lebih baiknya Are you okay? Masa kita bilangnya that's funny? Itu kan sangat tidak bagus ya. How about number two? Your friend says I won the competition. Temanmu bilang saya memenangkan kompetisi. Okay, Putri Balkis. Which one, Putri Balkis?
B, Miss.
Okay, what does it mean? Apa artinya?
Itu bagus, selamat.
Okay, selamat. Number one apa artinya? Number one.
Number one, your
Oh, sorry,
I'm,
A. Sorry, A.
I'm sorry to hear that. Maaf salah mendengarnya.
Yes, very good. Jadi ini ekspresi yang menunjukkan kayak, aduh kasih apa namanya, maaf itu telah terjadi kepadamu gitu lah ya. Okay, thank
Ya,
you Balkis. Very
thank
well.
you, Miss.
Welcome. Okay, let's go to number three. Your friend says I feel nervous about the test. Temanmu bilang saya merasa gugup tentang tes. Nah, kira-kira jawaban apa yang benar? Number A or B? Option A or option B? Kira-kira which one? Ada yang mau coba? Maybe I will ask Eva. Are you there, Eva? Oh, Eva. Are you there, Eva?
Ada Miss, ada.
Okay, how about number three, Eva? Can you try to answer?
I'm very free, your friend says. A. Don't worry,
Okay.
you can do it.
What does it mean? Apa artinya?
Jangan khawatir, kamu pasti bisa.
Okay, how about number option B? What does it mean? Option B.
Good, I'm happy. Baik, aku senang.
Okay. So what is the answer again?
A.
Okay, the answer is A. Good job. Thank you, Eva.
My pleasure, Miss.
Okay, the last one, number four. Your friend says, I feel nervous about the test. Oh, sama ya. Oke, jadi tidak perlu ya. Oke, very good ya teman-teman. Nice, well done. Everything is correct. Kita lanjut ke pertanyaan number two atau exercise number two. Nah, di sini beda nih sama yang tadi. Kalau tadi kan kita kan ada multiple choice ya. Nah, tapi di sini bedanya apa? Di sini ada deskripsi tentang suatu emosi. Jadi kita harus memberitahu atau menjodohkan ya, match. We match which one is the right one. Apakah number one itu jawabannya proud atau number two jawabannya happy? Maybe I will invite Balkis. Are you there, Balkis? Hello, Balkis.
Yes, Miss.
Balkis, can you try to read
Yes,
number one?
Miss.
Coba dibaca number one.
I have a big test tomorrow. My hands are cold and my heart beats fast. I cannot sleep well.
Oke, tahu nggak artinya apa? What does it mean?
Aku memiliki ulangan yang sangat besar besok. Tanganku dingin dan hatiku berdetak dengan cepat. Aku tidak bisa tidur dengan tenang.
Oke, kira-kira for this one, kira-kira ini termasuk emotion apa?
Nervous.
Nervous. Apa artinya nervous?
Gugup.
Gugup. Oke, thank you so much, Balkis. Very good ya, well
Thank you,
done.
Miss.
Oke, jadi kayak gitu ya cara jawabnya teman-teman. Oke, maybe for now, for the second part, I will invite Elhart. Are you there, Elhart? Elhart.
Yes, I'm here, Miss.
Oke, can you try to read the second one yang di bawah?
Yes. I study very hard for the competition. When I win first place, my parents clap for me. I feel strong and confident.
Oke, Elhart, can you try to translate? Coba di-translate, bisa nggak?
Jadi saya belajar sangat keras untuk sebuah kompetisi. Ketika saya menang, orang tua saya clap for apa itu,
Clap
Miss?
itu bertepuk tangan ya.
Oh ya, bangga pada saya.
Oke.
Dan saya merasa kuat dan confident.
Oke, kira-kira which one is the answer?
Place.
Yang mana? Ini kan ada proud, happy,
Oh,
sad. Kira-kira?
iya. Proud, Miss.
Proud. Oke. Thank you, Elhard. Well done ya. Good job.
Thank you so
Kita
much.
yes. Lanjut number 3. Maybe Indah. Are you there, Indah? No, Indah ya. Maybe Bibit. Are you there, Bibit? Halo, Bibit? No? Oke. Halo, Bibit? Oke, Bibit, can you try to read this one? Yang ini? Dibaca aja dulu.
Hi. It's my first day today. My friend gave me a surprise party. I smell all day and laughed a lot.
Oke, bisa ditranslate nggak? Can you try to translate it?
Ya, hari ini adalah hari ulang tahunku. Teman-teman memberiku pesta kejutan. Aku tersenyum sepanjang hari dan banyak tertawa.
Oke, kira-kira dari ekspresi ini, this expression, kira-kira ini match-nya yang mana nih?
Maksudnya yang happy.
Happy. Oke. Thank you, Bibit. Well done ya. Oke, kita ke our last one. Maybe siapa di sini yang belum?
Aku Miss.
Ya,
Sorry
oke,
tadi dari toilet Miss.
Oke, it's
Yang
okay.
mana Miss?
The last one, the last one.
Okay. My favorite dibaca ya Miss?
Yes.
My favorite football team loses the game. I sit quietly and do not want to talk to anyone.
Okay, what does it mean?
It means dia tuh sepak bola apa ya? Tim sepak bolanya favoritnya dia itu kalah.
Okay.
Jadi dia cuman duduk diam dan nggak mau ngomong sama siapapun.
Oke, kira-kira jawabannya which one?
Sad, Miss.
Sad, ya, very good. Sad ya. Jadi dia sedih karena teman sepak bola favoritnya kalah ya.
Timnya, ya Miss.
Yeah, thank you Indah. Very
welcome,
well.
Miss.
Okay, nah, very good ya everyone. I think most of you guys already understand ya. Nervous itu apa, proud itu apa, happy apa, dan sad juga apa. Okay, so let's go to our last slide, which is speech challenge ya. Jadi di sini ada question. Talk about your experience yesterday and explain how you felt. Di sini experience itu maksudnya your emotion ya. Emotion ya ini ya. Emotion or feelings. Misalnya, yesterday I felt sad because I cannot eat ayam geprek. Jadi kemarin saya sedih karena saya tidak bisa makan ayam geprek. Contoh, for example, like that. Atau maybe yesterday I felt nervous. Why? Because I join competition. Saya mengikuti sebuah kompetisi. Oke, kayak gitu ya teman-teman. Ada yang mau coba langsung maybe? Ini sangat singkat ya pertanyaannya ya. Ada yang mau coba nggak?
Aku Miss.
Oke, Indah. Tell me Indah, yesterday.
My experience yesterday is quite bad because my laptop charger is not charging, and then I need to be in a rush with my brother to the store, and fortunately the store have like the charger because my laptop charger is type C, and I almost cry because I need to do something with my laptop last night, and then I also feel a bit gloomy because of the weather. It's actually in here like raining a lot, and yesterday was like raining a lot, and yeah, I think it's also giving me a gloomy feeling. Like I feel blue yesterday. Plus also my charger is not charging, Miss. Yeah.
Okay. So you feel gloomy, sad because your charging is not charging. Your charge is not charging.
Yeah, my charger is not charging. Yes, Miss.
Okay, Indah, you said before gloomy. So what is gloomy means, Indah?
Gloomy tuh kayak sad gitu, Miss. Sad
Okay,
juga, kayak sedih juga gitu, Miss. Gloomy.
Oke, terus bedanya gloomy sama sad apa?
Gak tahu, Miss.
Okay, gloomy itu lebih ke arah merenung, sad merenung gitu ya.
Oh, okay, Miss.
Okay, how about I'm feeling blue? You say also I am feeling blue. What does it mean? I'm feeling blue.
I'm feeling blue mean itu aku sad, Miss.
Yes, aku sad.
Aku Miss kadang tahu bahasa Inggrisnya apa, tapi kalau bahasa Indonesia ditanya tuh aku suka bingung.
Okay.
Jadi kayak nggak tahu kalau ditanya. Tapi
Okay.
kalau bahasa Inggrisnya aku tahu, Miss, gitu.
It's okay ya, don't worry. Jadi I am feeling blue itu artinya sad itu lebih kayak idiom. Jadi kayak kiasan ya. I am feeling blue berarti artinya sad. Oke, thank you Indah. Well done ya, very good job. Oke, ada yang mau coba yang lain?
You're welcome, Miss.
Thank you, yes. Maybe let's go to Elhart. Oh, Fajrina first deh. Fajrina, tell me. Yesterday.
Yesterday, I felt frustrated because I lost when I play game.
You feel what? You feel what?
I feel frustrated
Oh, you feel frustrated because you play games?
and I lose.
What's happened? Why you feel frustrated?
I lose when I play game
Ah, frustrated. Why you feel frustrated? Is it because your fault or your teammate fault?
because my teammate fall.
Okay. What is frustrated means, Fajrina? Apa artinya frustrated?
Frustasi means
As frustasi. Okay, thank you, Fajrina. Very good, yeah? Well done. Let's go to Balkis. Your turn, Balkis.
Okay, Miss. Yesterday, I feel a little bit sad because I woke up late for school.
You wake up at what?
I wake up late for school.
We wake up late, so... And then?
And then, yeah, I'm not going to school because I
Okay.
was very late.
Oh, that's why. And then how do you feel again about that?
A little bit sad.
Okay. A little bit bad, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you, Balkis. Well done. Very good.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, we go to the next one. Maybe Elhart, maybe? Mau coba Elhart?
Ya, bisa Miss. Boleh Miss.
Sure.
I feel tired yesterday because I have a lot of homework to do, like washing clothes and sweeping.
Okay, you have washing clothes and what else?
Ya Miss?
Washing clothes and what else? Satunya?
Sweeping.
Sweeping the floor? Okay. Oh, so you do that ya. Jadi kamu menyuci baju sama nyapu.
Nyapu. Ya.
Okay, I see. That's why you're tired ya. Jadi capek ya.
Okay.
Okay, well done. Thank you, Elhart. Kita lanjut ke Eva. Are you there, Eva? Eva? Hello, Eva? No, Eva. How about Zifara? Are you there, Zifara? Okay. Bibit deh, Bibit. Halo, are you there, Bibit? Bibit. No, Bibit. Okay. So, no ya, I think. How about Anggita? Anggita, are you there, Anggita? Okay, no ya. Okay, so if no one want to try anymore, I think that's all for our today material ya. Jadi materi kita hari ini udah selesai, sampai itu aja. Thank you so much ya guys for trying. Thank you so much to try to talk in here. And yeah, I really appreciate that ya. And you guys already did a great job for that.
Thank
Okay,
you, Miss.
you're welcome. Oke, kita langsung ke slide terakhir kita yaitu what is it? Yaitu thank you, selesai. Oke, jadi teman-teman ini kodenya ya, kode absen nanti yang akan kita nanti habis ini kan ada link nanti dibagikan, nanti di sini kodenya bisa diisi ya. Itu kodenya ini. Oke, jadi sebelum kita mengakhiri, ayo kita take a screenshot dulu. Please open your camera guys. Ayo dibuka kameranya. Biar kelihatan muka-mukanya ya. Oke. Tuh, adminnya bilang, ayo dibuka dong kameranya. Biar kelihatan mukanya. Ayo, Indah, buka kameranya Indah.
Lagi jelek, Miss. Maaf.
Oke, kamu selalu cantik kok di mataku, Indah. Sorry. Oke, ayo kita mulai ya. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oke, that's all. Thank you so much ya everyone. Terima kasih sudah datang hari ini. Kita bertemu lagi tomorrow ya. Kita
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
See you tomorrow, Miss. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.